Welcome to social class, standard 9th, geography, unit 4, hydrosphere. Today discuss a topic, the relief of the ocean floor. The ocean basins are characterized by the following major relief features: continental shelf, continental slope, continental rise, deep sea plain or abyssal plain, oceanic deep, oceanic ridge. So first discuss the topic continental shelf. A shallow and gently sloping platform extending out from the adjoining continental landmass into the sea is called continental shelf. It is almost the uniform zone of sea bed with a gentle gradient. The continental shelf is of the great significance for the following reason. They are shallower, thus enable sunlight to penetrate through the water. This encourages abundant growth of grass, seaweeds and plankton. Hence, these zones become the richest fishing grounds in the world. Example, the Grand Banks of Newfoundland. The continental shelves have extensive deposit of minerals and mineral fuels. Hence, this zone become accessible for oil drilling and mining activities. Example, Mumbai High in Arabian Sea. Next, ONGC, GeoConnect. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation is India's largest oil and gas exploration and production company. Its latest estimate is that about 20 million tons of oil reserves are found west of Mumbai offshore. Next, continental slope. A steep slope which descends from edge of the continental shelf to the deep ocean bed is called continental slope. It forms the boundary between the continental crust and the oceanic crust. This zone is free from deposit as they are steep. The most important characteristic of continental slope is the presence of deep canyons and trenches. Due to the low penetration of sunlight, the slope has nearly freezing temperature. Hence, aquatic life has very slow rate of metabolism. Next, continental rise. At the base of continental slope is a gently sloping layer of sediments which merge into deep sea floor. This underwater feature found between continental slope and abyssal plain is called the continental rise. It consists of submarine fans which are similar to the alluvial fans found on land. Next, deep sea plains or abyssal plains. The deep sea plains or abyssal plains are underwater plains found on the deep ocean floor. These plains extend from continental rise to the mid-oceanic ridges. The gradient of the slope is very gentle and it appears as a uniform, flat and featureless plain. These plains are usually covered by the thick layer of sediments composed of clay, silt and sand brought by the rivers. These are often characterized by the features like abyssal hills, sea mounds, yachts, coral, atoll, etc. Do you know? Abyssal plain in the Atlantic and Indian Ocean, they tend to be extensive than the Pacific Ocean because Majority of the world, the largest river empty their sediments into either Atlantic or Indian Ocean. Example, Amazon, Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers. Next, oceanic deeps. Oceanic deeps. Trenches are the deepest part of the oceans and occupy about 7% of the total relief of the ocean floor. The ocean temperature in the trench is slightly cooler than the freezing temperature. As they are sediment free, most trenches are V-shaped with strip sides. Epicenter of the great earthquakes are all found in the trenches. Next, do you know the dragon hole is the deepest known underwater the sinkhole in the world. The local fishermen call it the Eye of the South China. Next, oceanic ridge. Oceanic ridge is a continuous submarine mountain chain. They are made up of young basaltic rock formed when two tectonic plates move apart. The mid-ocean ridge is probably the most extensive single feature of the Earth's topography. Two of the most well-known mid-ocean ridges are the Mid-Atlantic Ridge and the East Pacific Ridge. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge is the largest unbroken oceanic ridge. Next, fathomus. A nautical measurement of the depth of the water in the ocean. This fathomus. Next, isobath. An imaginary line on a map joining the point of equal parts. That is isobath. Next, the isohaline. An imaginary line on a map joining the points of equal salinity in ocean. It is isohaline. Okay, so let us recall that point. Relief of the ocean floor: continental shelf, continental slope, continental rise, deep sea plain or abyssal plain, oceanic deep, oceanic ridge. Thank you.